My friend Lou has sent his daughter Zoe down from Belgium to buy some funky cars or movie cars. I'm not sure exactly what, but you know, he always has an eye for the unusual. So we'll see what she's gonna do. I'm looking forward to dealing with her. I think she'll be easier than Lou. Hi, Zoe. Hi, baby. Aw. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh, look how great you look. My goodness.
Thank you.
And you're not with Lou, huh?
No, he's not around today. He was busy.
So, what can I help you with? Are you looking for cars? Or...
The last time we came, you know, for the other deal,
Yeah.
we spotted a couple of Beetles, actually. We're looking for fun cars. Fun cars to drive during the summer, to drive in Australia. I don't know.
Beetles are great.
They are. They're
on.
really flexible cars.
I'll show you some stuff.
We are looking for funny cars, like something to make rent with it and to make movie clips. And so we are really looking for something unique and funny.
Over the years, Lou's probably bought 20 cars for me, from Auburns to Rolls Royces to limousines to police cars, all kinds of stuff. He's a very well-known entertainer in his country. And because of who he is, he rents the cars out for everything from weddings to movies, and it works good for him. Well, I got an unusual Beetle.
You do?
Yeah, a very unusual Beetle.
Wow. This one's funny.
It's funny.
Yeah, it is.
It's totally custom, and you can't tell the front from the back. This back and front have the same thing in the hood.
Oh my God, he's got a tail.
Is that great? Yeah.
It's just a toy car.
Yeah. You know, they sell a little wind-up key for the back. You can put it on the back and wind it up, and it spins when you drive it. Isn't it great?
Yeah,
This
it's
one?
amazing.
Yeah.
I spotted that one the other time.
Did you?
It was, yeah, I did.
Cool.
I like the color of this one.
Convertible.
Yeah, it's convertible. That's what I'm looking for.
The same owner since like 1986, same family.
Oh, I like it. Wow, that's a cool car. This is cool.
So you're down to the 2 convertible VWs, and I want to sell them to you. They're $8,500 each.
I know.
What would you like to do?
Well, since they are convertible, that means, you know,
There should be
you
more
have...
money.
No, because you have less things on it. It's
Less
just
things.
like it's open.
You reason like your father.
I know I do.
I priced them at $8,500, which is pretty fair. I'm sure I can sell them for $75 a piece. I'm sure she'll pay less. But, you know, they're really, really close friends of mine. I'm going to give them the best deal I can without losing money.
I'll say 11,000.
I would say no. Okay? I think they're $8,500 each. Give me 7 a piece, and that's $14,000, and I make a little money.
Expensive.
I am here to make a living.
Well, if I get them for $6,000, it's gonna be a good deal. Like this car, I like timeless, so 6,000 is good. Come on, Ted. I know you for years now.
I know you since you were born.
How about 12,000?
Look at you. Would that make you happy?
Totally.
Totally?
Yeah.
It's yours. 12,000. Mwah.
I thought I was going to be harder with Ted, but he's quite easy, actually. Especially when you know him. That's the thing.
Honestly, I think she was very, very fair with me. And I think we both leave happy. I don't need to retail her. Her and her dad have bought so many cars, and he's my friend. I'm happy she's happy. It's all good.